Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell about three materials from the pronunciation class. The first is consonant clusters, the second is silent letters, and the last is sibilant sounds. The first is, what is consonant clusters? Consonant clusters is two or more consonant sounds joined together in our pronunciation. And then silent letters. Silent letters are letters that can't be heard when the word is spoken. And sibilant sounds are produced by forcing air out towards our teeth. And then from the consonant clusters, sibilant sounds, and silent letters, I will read the text first, and then from the text, I will tell where's the consonant cluster, where's the silent letters, and where's the sibilant sounds. Let's start. My free time. I only have a day off on Sunday, so I have only a little free time. Sunday is a wonderful day for me to spend time with my friend. One of the things I really enjoy doing on Sunday morning is to play chess. It is a time to relax and talk about the events of the previous week and future plans. On Sunday morning, I often sing with my friends at a karaoke restaurant, and we all have a good time together. It is especially funny when Viet, my friend, gets up to sing. Please don't tell him I said this, but he is a very bad singer. Once in a while, I go for a walk on Sundays with my friends. Sometimes I just stay at home and listen to music, watch television, or read novels. Do you feel bored when you hear about my free time, teacher? That's all about the text from the title My Free Time. I had choose the words from consonant cluster, silent letters, and sibilant sounds, and I choose novels, Sunday, teacher, especially just and television for sibilant sounds, and I had choose the novels, wonderful and friend for silent letters, and then I had choose free, play, and preface for consonant clusters. The first is consonant clusters. I had three words from the consonant cluster. There are free, play, and preface. The free word, there are f and r sounds. That is consonant cluster because the consonant sounds join together. Two consonant sounds join together from the free word. And if the consonant cluster in the first, we say first consonant cluster. The next is play. There are p and l sounds. That is consonant clusters because there are consonant sounds. The next is p and r. That is consonant clusters because that is consonant sounds. The next is silent letters. I had novels, wonderful, and friend words. The first is novels. If we spell the letters from the novels, there are N, O, V. Oh, sorry. There are N, O, V, E, and L. But if we write the phonetics, there is no E sounds in the phonetic, because the phonetic is like this. It's like this. Novels, novels. There is no E sound, so E is silent letters from the novels word. The next is wonderful. If we spell the wonderful, there are W, O, N, D, E, R, F, U, L letters, but in the phonetic, there's no R, N, U, because it is only wonderful. If we uh, if we pronounce it, because the phonetic is like this. Wonderful. It's like this. Wonderful. Okay, the next is friend. If we spell friend, there is Friend. But in the phonetic, there's only R. Okay, something like this. No I sounds. No I sounds. So I is the silent letter in the friend word. The last is sibilant sound. In sibilant sound, we have s, z, ch, sh, j, and j sounds. And first, I will tell about the S sound. I had choose the Sunday word from the S sound, because the phonetic is like this. It's like this. Oh, sorry. It's like this. So this is the S sound from the Sunday. And the next is novels. Novels. The phonetic is like this. Oh, sorry, I have. Right. Yeah, this is the Z, Z, the Z sound in the novels. Novels. The next is teacher. Teacher. phonetic is this. It's like this. So this is the phonetics. No, sorry, this is the sibilant sounds. Okay, this is the sibilant sounds, and the sound is ch, ch. The next word is especially, the phonetic is like this. Especially like this. So this is the sibilant sounds from sh, sh. And the next is just. The phonetic is like this. And then the sibilant sound is this. That is j. And the last is television. Television. Vision. Okay. It's like this. Television. And the sibilant sound is this. The sound is j. So I think that's all about consonant cluster, sibilant sounds, and silent letter. I hope from this video you can understand about consonant cluster, sibilant sound, and silent letter. And I'm sorry if there are many wrong words that I said, because I still learn. But I hope the next time I can be I can improve my English skill, and then I can explain the word to be more good, and I can be confident. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.